Us know in the comments. No! Lagi lo, itu biar mati gupus.
I'm hyping us up, right? I'm hyping us up.
Itu biar mati gupus ng
Hey!
Het is de hele week Black Friday bij YDK XL.
Ik ga even naar Isipari.
Did you really have to up and leave while I was talking?
Do you want me to be blind when I'm listening to your music?
Do you need your eyes to listen to the music?
You know when you are driving in a car and you're looking for a place and there's music on, what do the most people do?
You turn off the music.
Do they need their ears to look?
No.
Alright! Autotanobo! Porquería! Era bocas! Pareng! Hey, hey,
Hey, hey, hey, hey, hey! What is up, amiga? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross and your boy
Benny.
We are back with another video, and today's video is gonna be Benny reacting to my playlist, my YDK playlist, my YDK playlist, my Papiamentu playlist. I'm gonna give a quick little disclaimer. Some songs are from people that actually come from Curacao or that are from Curaçaoan, what do you say that?
I don't know.
Descent? Is that what you say? Descent?
Yes.
Descent. But some of them are also from Aruba, some of them are from Bonaire. But anyways, it's the ABC Islands. I just listen to music. I don't discriminate. I love all the 3 islands, okay? Even though I am from Curacao. So yeah, I quickly wanted to give that disclaimer. So make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments down below what you want to see for Vlogmas, because Vlogmas is also coming up soon. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into it.
Yeah!
Let's go. When I have like 2 hours left to work, or when I really need to get some serious cleaning done, I just plug these songs into my ear and I'm ready to go. So yeah, that's, you know, to give like some explanation to my playlist. That's that. But we're gonna go ahead and get started with the first song. Are you ready, Benny?
So some of these songs I may know.
Maybe.
I know this one already.
Yeah, you do?
Alright.
Awo si, awo bote hanye, awo bote sintie, awo si, awo bote hanye.
This uncle is dead. Hey!
This no be joke.
Es Dios su nombre. Es su razón.
Hey.
Son milagre di mi loco.
Amazina.
Cosmonta vini
Poco poco.
Sigue así na. El aquí con más de camita. Yo
Para que
This no be joke.
yo para ser.
Then yo su nombre.
Es su razón.
Ora
Yo chill con Bay Poucher.
no me importa la cruel. Yo cita que vende mi sobra daño camando. Puta vivir mover por montaña, pero bota la dama fuego.
Dios para ti.
En nombre yo.
Dios para ti. Su nombre.
Just para
Es
them.
su razón. Awo si. Hey.
Awo bote hanye, awo bote sintie, awo.
Dios para ti. Dios para ti. Tira, tira.
Hey!
Tira, tira.
All right. What do you think?
I love this song.
You love the song?
Yes.
What do you love about it? Probably all the colors and stuff.
The colors, the energy, the vibe, and yeah.
The
I love
artist.
these. I love this artist too.
Yeah. He's so cool, right?
Yeah,
but
he's the cool uncle of the family.
Yes.
You know, every
yes.
family has a cool uncle.
Yeah.
I think he's it.
Yeah, I agree. I love him. I love him. Okay,
Yeah.
since we have roses in the thing, how many roses would you give it out of 5? How
4.
many? 4 roses. Okay, that's great. Let's move on with the next song.
We will rock music.
Make it bigger? What is talking about? What's going on? No sto sta fijo, no sto salir un momento. Mami, just dame un momento. Y no me acabo para siempre. No hay distancia. Baby, no worry, no sto sta fijo, no sto salir un momento. Baby, just dame un momento.
Dame un momento. Dame corazón, mi que tengo un lugar, mami, dame un asiento. Tu momento mi queda duro, mami, dame mi tiempo.
Anto basta me tiempo.
Anto basta mi tiempo.
Gana, baby, kiss un momento solo. Alla så det kunde tjabba mig. We had like it that a long time. Pablo mi era fin del mundo. Alles para passen nessa junto. Baby, vind je weg alsjeblieft naar mij. Want ik wil jou zo graag aan mij zijn. Agad was als je mami vinga. Anto was a kumikil is torso. Hey. Los 20 kilometers. Un momento. Hey, you can sing it.
Yeah,
Alright. What do you think?
it's a nice, relaxing song. I
Relaxing
like it.
What do you like about it?
No, it has a great vibe. I also like
Probably the colors again.
The colors I like, yeah, and
It's a very colorful person. You are a very well, maybe not today, but normally you have a very colorful spirit.
yes, back to the song Un Momento, and I like the combination between the guys and the girls singing.
Yeah.
But I feel like the girls were more upbeat.
Maybe, but
Yeah.
the guys, maybe it's not cool for guys to be too upbeat.
No, I don't know. I don't know. The
Yeah,
vibe from the girls, I felt better. But you know, maybe that's how they made it. But
Yeah. It's a fun song.
yes.
Yeah, and what do you think it's about? What does
I think
momento mean?
it's un momento is a moment, right?
Okay.
So I think I don't know. Maybe they wanted a moment from the guy, because I saw them grab a guy from the street, like, get over here.
Yeah, it's maybe about like from my interpretation.
It's a Curacao thing, huh?
Yeah.
Y'all just think guys and you're going nowhere.
Yeah,
Because
you gotta own it.
Own it.
You gotta own
Own
it.
it.
Yes, you
Own
do.
it.
You gotta own it. Like no, it's. I think what I understood from it is that it's maybe a long distance type of relationship, and they want a moment together. And the girl is also saying like, I will do everything to be with you, like the part you could understand because it was Dutch. And then in the end she says like, yeah, please send me a ticket to come to you. And
Figo.
by that I mean Curacao.
Figo.
Yeah. So yeah, that's that song. How many roses out of 5?
4.
4 roses. Okay.
Amigas, everything's gonna get 4 roses.
I'm
Everything's gonna get 4 roses.
Alright. Next up.
Oh, Jeon. Jeon is from
Aruba.
no, the song from the last video.
También de lang.
Yes.
Yeah.
Minuto po, brother.
Como may kumbrali? Huwag ka out of beer, kakana mo kami kumbrali.
Liu, auto tanubo no.
Auto tanubo! Porquería!
Motor
Eh,
tanubo
mo,
no.
kinakakiri pa mo. Okay, babalans.
Baba lungs. Baba lungs.
Baba lungs. What is Baba lungs?
It's a word for fun. I don't know. It's made up.
So why are there so many boobies when they are singing Baba lungs?
Maybe it's Baba lungs.
Baba
The
lungs.
Baba belong to lungs.
Baba lungs.
Papiamentu.
Baba lungs. Baba lungs. Caballero.
Mesora. Poting cozinhar esse tá.
Baba lungs. Gente.
Como tengo un ego.
Queda bocas. Queda bocas.
Queda bukas.
Para mi cosita más, queda bocas. Si con la boca apretada, queda bocas.
Padeng. Full padeng.
Babalons.
Baba langs. Baba langs. Baba langs.
Baba langs. Caballero. Padeng.
Babalons.
E cuarentena que tiene pocos
Longs.
Que patica veces me da
Longs.
club social.
Club social. Lockdown. Alegría.
Toque de queda.
Sur.
Boti kutsieres beta.
Baba langs. Baba langs. Baba langs. Queda bocas. Queda bocas. Queda bocas. Padeng.
Alright, what do we think of this one? You like this one, I already know. You listen to this song a lot. It's a favorite from the both of us. But what is it about, Benny?
Baba langs. Baba.
What is it about?
Isn't it not a pandemic song?
Yeah.
Like you need to stay in your house.
Yes.
Queda bocas.
Hey, very good, Benny.
Padeng.
Full padeng. And what does that mean?
I don't know.
Narvena.
Oh,
Go inside.
What is the other one? Toque de cas.
Toque de queda.
Toque de queda.
Toque de queda is the night clock, like the time that you need to be inside.
Curfew.
Yeah, the curfew. Yes.
Ah, padeng. Full padeng.
And how many roses for this song? This is a 5. Come on.
Okay, we're gonna give it a 5.
Yeah. It's 5 roses.
Armani music. Next song.
Okay, next up.
Chaika. YDK music. Yeah.
Hey.
Hey.
Segumbo, bote balkuta sona beleng.
Beleng.
Muratuso. Bote nega na ribarol iskay sinseng. Mobe jaya banda. Numi bubalan na kibanda. Minke mira de mi banda. Kasi un garolo, bota así maneta mita corre trebo. De mi inbox busquen a mi uno. Y de fiesta porque mi para se acabó. Nigga please, la camina paz. Boku bo mati ng kupat ikas. Y de fiesta porque mi pupa se acabas.
Hey.
Segumbo, bote bertas una
Beleng.
bote nega na ribarol iskay
What is beleng? What betekent beleng?
So what she says is, you think you got the bell that like says beleng.
Next song, please.
Move jaya banda, no vi kubolan ta kibanda. Minke mira de mi banda.
Yeah. Is that so? Is dat echt zo?
Ja.
Ze geeft een beetje een zo hard.
Ja.
Timan pan. Baby bonded.
From them I drink and I chichima.
Jenny,
Yeah, okay.
who's singing that song?
I don't know.
I know.
Chaika. Binima? Is it Binima?
I know.
Who does that?
Beleng.
Move jaya banda, no vi bubalan na kibanda. Minke mira de mi banda.
Teng.
I think we did almost
5 roses.
5?
Yeah.
Wow! I like
I
her
like it.
so much.
Yeah, she's
Yeah.
fun. She's fun.
What do you think the song is about?
I don't know what the song is about. It's about the beleng.
Like it's just about guys who play cool and think they are all that, and then in the end they have capsones. I don't know how to say that in English. Capsones. They just, they're in that.
Okay, Chaika.
Yeah,
Okay.
and they have a woman sleeping at home, but in the party they're out there trying to fix more women and shit.
Beleng.
Yeah, but they think they have the beleng, but they don't.
It's nice. It's a nice song.
Okay,
I love her vibe.
she's cool.
She's cool, yeah.
One of my favorite artists.
Really?
Yeah, she is.
But the music video is also nice.
Yeah, she did a good job. Let's move on to the next one.
Hey, hey,
Hey, hey, hey, hey, hey, hey. Slapatur.
Slapatur!
Slapatur. Hey, slapatur. Slapatur.
Hey!
Hey.
Hey! Hey! Slapatur!
Bota, me quedé bulading. Bueno, ¿por qué?
Sumama ang bull.
Bueno, me quedé bulading. One day, one. Are you sweating? You're gonna break the chair. Hey. Banana, banana. Banana, banana.
Daling, daling. Daling, daling.
Sak. One day lumba. One day lumba. Sak.
This is a nasty song.
Sak day lumba. Sak.
Sak!
Sak day lumba.
Sak! Ah!
Sak. One day lumba.
Sak!
One day lumba. One day lumba. One day lumba.
It's not Jenny. It's a nasty song.
No, it's not.
What gaan we doen voor?
It's just a road fire for the carnival time.
Daarom zeggen ze zak.
So like
Zodat die vrouwen kunnen zakken, toch?
Ja.
En die mannen kunnen schuren van achter.
English.
English.
Yeah.
Alright.
Like, and you need to hold your back when you suck. Alright, let's grade the song. Let's grade the song. What do you think about the song, Benny?
I don't know what to think about the song, but whew,
The rhythms are good though.
yeah.
Yeah. How many roses?
Got me acting up here in this house. 4.5.
4.5.
I can't put it above Chaika yet.
Okay, yeah. There's also another video clip here, so
Yes.
it's just
But-
based on this.
Whew, Carnival must be lit.
Yeah, it is. It is. Like seriously, when is Carnival gonna come back though?
COVID is laughing at you.
All right, next up. Biggie boom bala 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 bala.
Biggie bong bala.
Hey.
Biggie bong bala.
Dale, dale, dale bala 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 bala. Dale, 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 dale bala 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 bala.
Tiene bala, tiene bala,
Tiene bala.
tiene bala.
What does bala mean?
What do you think bala
I
means?
don't know. Ball?
Ball, yeah. But also, what else is ball?
Oh, S.
Yeah.
Okay. Biggie bong bala bala.
And Becky is girl. And normally when you have like a very good body, they also said you're bombala. You're a good ball.
Okay.
You're not impressed.
Not really.
Okay.
I expected more.
Alright.
Good. Bala.
What do you think about the song?
It's a bala. It's a biggie bong
How many
bala.
balls for the song?
You said 3.5.
3.5. Okay.
Roses you mean?
Hmm?
Roses.
Rose? Yeah, how many roses? Yeah.
But
3.5 roses. It's a very simple song. It says the same thing, but it's just the beat.
yeah, but I also think that you need to be in a, this is what I mean, you know, because this may hit different when you're in a club, you know, but because it's just repetitive.
Yeah.
But it's not a bad song.
No.
But I just
I
think
like
I think
the
you need
beat.
to be in the
Mood for it.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, me having 2 more hours to work and I listen to this song, then yeah, it's gonna get me
maybe
pumped.
when you're in the gym, it's also gonna
Yeah.
be
Yeah.
yes.
Exactly. So yeah, next song.
My beanie back, my beanie back, my beanie back, tappy back. Sometimes when they talk, it sounds in my ear like Surinamese.
Really?
Yeah, my beanie back.
Yeah.
You know that back is in your
Mouth?
Yeah, right. So in Suriname we have something tappy back.
Oh, oui.
Of
No,
tappy,
no, no.
tappy biggie back.
Tappy biggie back.
You see it? It
Yeah.
sounds like my beanie back, tappy biggie back.
Yeah, I get it. But this means I am back.
Oh, I'm back.
Yeah.
No, okay.
I came back. Plama DJ, Plama di Bakaya, Plama DJ.
These are Shomarita's songs.
No, this is for the young people.
I know, but she loves these songs.
She does.
I know.
Yeah.
She's dancing.
Hey.
Shomaritas!
Plama di Bakaya, Talaga DJ. Plama di Bakaya. Plama di Bakaya, Talaga DJ. Plama di Bakaya. Kanga bira ace. Jump, 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 jump.
No, McLean.
Hey, hey.
Hey!
La da di. All right. More?
No, it's good.
What do
Yeah.
you think?
This one is 4 roses.
Four roses?
The other one was better. Actually, it's 3.5.
Okay, 3.5.
What do you think? The other one was better.
Yeah, for Mayo Mao, yes.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. But this is also one that I like, you know? And it's nostalgic to me, so maybe
It's
that's...
your playlist. You like everything.
Yes, that's true. Randy Leroy.
Meisjes zijn nog lekker bezig. Flessen gaan rond en gaan hard, hard. We zijn aan jou. Flink aan de drank en de feesten. Meisjes zijn nog lekker bezig. Flessen gaan rond en gaan hard. Iedereen aan, iedereen is.
Ay, no sabe bebé. ¿No me lo des me? Ay, no sabe bebé.
Bebe. Drink me. Oh, ik ben geen vrouw.
Hele bebé.
Esta noche la cuenta es mía. Vamos bailando, gozando la vida. Really sends me back in the Caribbean here this time we're ready. Mami baila y mami, es me. Uma candy me fit, a candy. Pílale na alegría. Back it up, draai je hoofd, let me see you.
All right.
4 roses.
4 roses?
Yeah.
I like the song.
It's a nice song.
Yeah, Bollebov is not from Curacao, but we don't mind claiming him. He is, no, I'm kidding. We don't mind claiming him.
Y'all are claiming artists now?
Yeah, he's
Why don't
always
y'all claim me?
welcome in
Why don't
Curacao.
y'all claim me?
We claim you too. We love you.
We love you.
Yeah, we love you. But he is Cape Verdean, which is really funny because
Why is it funny?
because their language sounds very familiar to Papiamentu, so that's really fun to me.
You need to learn your history, girl.
Okay, next song.
Ai, boy! Bagaimana Durani? Solteira,
Mas saya apa kalimat karnaval leader?
Kind of.
My God.
Simiting algo dice de su cara, de su cara. De su cara mi dice, simiting algo di conte, de su cara mi dice. No tawari. Ecapatas, 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 ecapatas. No en un que mire, 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 no en un. All right, I think we did enough of that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Next.
What is it about?
I don't know. Capataz.
Capatas.
Capataz.
Is the betrayer? How do you say that?
Snitch.
The snitch, yeah. Like if I have something to tell him, then I will tell him in his face. I am not afraid of him.
Okay.
I will just tell him what I have to say. That's what he's saying.
Okay.
You know, and nobody wants to see him. Nobody wants to hear from him.
Okay.
Gismi che vodu namorato so Pamikula si dushi kubo baby
Che vodu namorato so.
Cruel baby, cruel.
Hey.
Mamita se enroló Así cariño Ahorita cruel mi que cruel como Pisado algo sweet te muero
Coração. Kaya you douche you. Hey. Douche dry mo, douche dry mo. Cruel me que cruel mo. Casualmente tu vai.
Any other love songs, people? Amigas, love songs, cruel love.
O amor da inspiração. Ele bam 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 bam. Bang assim douche. Cruel assim lekker. Primiri baboso. Tena oto tena manisei. Bang assim douche. Cruel assim lekker.
Ja, is goed.
Hallo?
Ja.
Okay, Benny. What do you think about this song? There's some baby making shit, huh?
Yes, some baby making.
What? How many roses?
3.5.
3.5? You're not in a romantic mood at all.
Shine.
Battery change. We will be right back. Okay, amiga, we are back. We quickly needed to change off the battery.
She's lying, amigas. We were listening to Cruel Me, Cruel Me.
Krula Sidushi.
Krula Sidushi.
What is the song about?
Krulika Kruli. Krule lekker.
Je lulde toch met andere meisjes na? Die vrouw wil trabajo.
Hey, maar dat is niet zo echt een lichaam.
No, that's not so.
Is it
No,
really?
no. Imagine a guy walking in on you in a party like that. Así con mi maneboque, manera da coyunga. Chorrito di pelucho, príncipe azul, boca va y di palo, subir va llevo correr.
See, what's the monopoly?
Yeah. Hey, you're good. Manera taco y lunga, pronde mi mano. Esto sí.
The stop.
Manera.
Bokabay ko pelo. Bokabay ko pelo. What is that? What is that?
Pelucho.
What is? Me pelu.
No, bokabay di palu.
Bokabay di palu.
Your wooden horse.
Oh.
Like, you know the little one.
Oh, bokabay is a horse.
Kabay is horse.
Kabay.
Yeah, bo is you, your
Horse.
horse, your wooden horse. And the palo means wood.
Wood. Bokabay de palo.
What do you thought of this one?
It's a funny song.
Yeah? And all the...
Is he like a toy boy?
Kinda, that's what he said. Yeah, I want to be a toy boy. And I would like to be your toy boy. You can do with me whatever you want.
Bokabay de palo.
Yeah. How many roses?
4.
4 roses. Alright. I think, are we at the end already?
Yes, we are. Hey.
Yo.
Yo.
Gas, hindi natin doon na kwenta. Hindi natin doon na kwenta. Hindi natin doon na kwenta. Porque muri ay asawa, bumuto ka na benta. Gati ke gati, abim purba ho tako. Gati ke gati, abim purba mo deko. Bati culo bro, bati cu. Bati culo bro, bati cu. Bati culo bro, bati cu. Bati cu.
Kill them.
Pegou cacerando saliva. Como que sabe que da laf. Sablaf. Tabugia, wabukraf. Ye chapaya.
Clap. Kill them.
Batir culo, gro, batir cu. Batir culo, gro, batir cu. Batir cu. Batir cu.
Kill them.
De krijgklappen van mijn succes.
I don't know any of these lines.
Praten ze wat nu seks. Iedereen wil op je letten, dan doe niet baret. Was mijn uitweg. Kima paga van mijn auto, veel cuenta. Op ik dat je dat helpt van mijn trenta. Mana, je podrás ser atenta. Video call, de plata saca en culo, bro.
Batir cu. Batir culo, gro, batir cu. Batir culo, gro, batir cu. Batir cu. Batir cu. Gas. Hindi natin doon na kwenta. Hindi natin doon na kwenta. Relax. Porque muri ay asawa, bumuto ka na benta.
Hey.
Feel the voodoo. Feel the voodoo.
Hey. Okay.
I like it so much. It's one of my favorites.
How much roses would you give this one?
5 for sure. Hence why it's the last one on the list. For today, the list go on and on. So if you want to see more, if you want to see a part 2 of this, let us know in the comments. No! Lagi ho, ito biya pati
I'm hyping us up, right? I'm hyping us
Ito
up.
biya pati gupos ko pa.
Hey. Bala. Batiku, logro.
Keep your hands under control. Come on.
Batei kulogro. Okay, come on.
Yeah. So,
Yes.
this one is a 5 rosebuds. But what do you think? How many rosebuds do you give it?
4.5.
What? How dare you?
Why? I love it too, but you
4.5?
Yanni, okay.
Why a 4.5?
Yanni, you are corrupt.
Why are you?
You are trying to change my.
Okay,
let me
4.5.
change my phone.
Okay.
Hey, but Atanegro featuring Chaika.
Yeah, do they not have a song together?
I don't know.
We should look it up.
It would be nice.
But anyways, yeah, that's it for all the
So
songs.
you wanna tell me?
Anyways,
Is it more than this?
it's equal.
It's not okay. To me, this is a 5.
Okay, this is the winner of the day for you.
Yes,
the
for me.
Beleng.
Yeah, Beleng.
Beleng is the winner of the day. I'm not mad at it.
I'm not mad. You can be mad at it.
No.
Beleng.
Okay. But anyways, amigas, thank you so much for watching. Let us know if we need to do a part 2.
Beleng me in the comments. You know how we do for Benny Squad. Beleng me in the comments. You know. Thumbs up for Jenny. Comment and subscribe and see you in the next Beleng video.
Yes.
You know how we do, right?
Yes.
Una belle, 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 mura tu so, pote negra